is unboxing of camera, wireless free, and it's by Sansco. It's an outdoor battery rechargeable camera. Comes very nicely boxed up, so that's what the camera looks like. Right, this is the camera. I've actually taken it out of the box because it was easy to show you guys. Right, so I've got it switched on. It works with an app called Cloud Edge. To download the app's simple. Once you download the app, you've got to just make sure you turn off the 5 gigahertz on your router, set it up through the 2.4 gigahertz, and then once it's all connected and set up and running, switch on your 5 gigahertz. So basically, right, this is what the camera looks like. I've left this little thing here because that shows you, this is where you charge, that's your power. That's the reset, and you put the micro SD card, which is not supplied in there. Once everything's switched on and in place, just put the waterproof cover back over and it's ready to go. Also in the box, you've got your charge cable, and they've given you screws, wall plugs, and they've given a really nice metal wall bracket. And this is fully adjustable. Just loosen it up and then just do that, and then this goes onto here like so, and it's really simple like that. Right, so I'm going to show you. Right, I've got it on my other phone. Right, now you can see, hopefully, right, that's it. Okay, right, so I'm indoors and obviously it's a grey miserable day, but the clarity is pretty decent. With the camera, you can hear audio, you can talk through it. On the Cloud Edge app, you can make all the different adjustments. So when you go into your app, I'm going to try and show you guys. Right, so that's the app and that's the camera. But if you go to the edit there, that gives you all the choices. Power saving, motion, you can change the recording time. The app works extremely well with the camera, and the camera is stunning, very nicely made. Battery life on this will be excellent, but what's great, because it is rechargeable, I mean, it takes 5 seconds to take it down, put it on charge for a couple of hours, and you're back up and running. I think it's really well made. It's quite heavy, and obviously you've got the adjustable aerials, which helps, you know, if your signal's a bit down, you can move them to the right location, and that will help you. Okay, that's my unboxing of this really nice Sansco. I shall put the Amazon link in with the video. Thanks for watching.